I want to speak English, but I'm too scared. What if I say something wrong?
Don't worry. Speaking English is hard for everyone at first, even me. In this video, you'll learn why speaking English is difficult and how to make it easier.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good. Thank you. What about you?
I'm okay, but I feel a little worried.
Worried? Why? What happened?
I have to speak English in class today. I don't feel ready.
Oh, I see. Speaking in class can feel scary sometimes.
Yes, my hands get cold and I forget words.
Don't worry, Anna. You're learning. It's okay to feel nervous.
I feel shy when I speak English.
That's normal. Many people feel the same way.
Really? I thought I was the only one.
No, not at all. I also felt shy at first.
I worry about grammar. What if I say something wrong?
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
I also worry about my pronunciation.
Me too. Some words are very hard to say, but with practice, we can improve.
How did you start speaking English with confidence?
At first, I was quiet. I didn't want to talk.
Same here. I just listen in class.
But then I told myself, it's okay to try. So I started saying small sentences.
Like what?
Like, good morning, or how are you?
That sounds easy.
Yes, and I said it every day. Soon, it felt natural.
I have another problem. People speak too fast.
Oh yes, that happens a lot.
I can't catch the words. My brain feels slow.
Native speakers talk quickly and use short forms.
Like wanna or gonna?
Exactly. It takes time to learn them.
What can I do?
You can ask them, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
That's a good idea. Sometimes I want to say something, but I don't know the word in English.
That's because we need more vocabulary.
I try to remember words, but I forget them.
Try writing them down in a notebook.
That's smart. Then I can read them again.
Yes, and use them in short sentences. That helps you remember.
I will try that. I also think in my language first, then I try to change it into English.
Yes, that can be slow.
Sometimes the words don't match.
That's true. Every language is different.
So, what should I do?
Try to think in English, even simple words,
like eat, go, study.
Just little by little?
Yes, your brain will get used to it.
I want to practice, but I have no one to talk to.
That's hard. Practice is important.
I speak English only in class.
Try talking to yourself. Say what you are doing.
Like, I am brushing my teeth, or I am cooking rice.
Yes, that helps a lot.
I never thought of that. Thanks. Ben, thank you for helping me.
You are welcome. I am happy to help.
I still feel nervous, but I will try.
That's great. Trying is the first step.
If I make mistakes, I will keep going.
Yes, mistakes help us learn. Be proud of yourself.
Thank you, Ben. Let's practice together more.
Anytime, Anna. Let's do it.
Ben, what are some good ways to practice speaking?
Let's see. You can talk to friends in English.
I don't have many English-speaking friends.
Then listen to English podcasts or watch YouTube videos.
I like watching English cartoons.
That's perfect. Also, try shadowing. Repeat what the speaker says.
That sounds fun. I will try today. Can I use English outside the classroom?
Yes, try using English when you go shopping or order food.
Even if it's just one sentence?
Yes, like saying, thank you, or how much is this?
That sounds simple. I can do that.
Every small step helps you become better.
Sometimes I learn a new word, but forget it the next day.
That happens to me too. Try using flashcards.
Flashcards?
Yes, write the word on one side and the meaning or picture on the other.
That sounds fun. I'll try it.
You can also say the word out loud 5 times. It helps memory.
What kind of English videos should I watch?
Easy ones first. Cartoons, kids shows, or slow English videos.
Should I use subtitles?
Yes, English subtitles are helpful. Try watching once with subtitles, then once without.
That will help me understand and learn.
Yes, and it will also help your listening.
Can writing help me speak better?
Yes, writing helps you think in English.
What should I write?
Write a diary, just a few lines about your day.
Like, today I went to school. I studied English.
Perfect! Keep it simple and write every day.
Sometimes I don't know how to say a sentence.
Try listening first, then repeat what you hear.
Like copying a speaker?
Yes, it's called shadowing. You repeat after the speaker.
I see. I will try that with videos.
That will help your pronunciation and rhythm.
Thank you for all the tips, Ben. I feel more confident now.
I'm happy to hear that. You're doing great.
I will keep practicing and not give up.
That's the spirit. Let's both keep learning together.
Yes, speaking English is hard, but we can do it.
One step at a time, Anna. One step at a time.
Remember, Anna, speaking English takes time.
Yes, I will keep practicing every day.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak and enjoy learning.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
You're doing great. Let's learn together.
Did you enjoy this conversation? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations. Let's keep learning English together. Watch our next video to keep learning more.